My name's Bob Sharp. I'm Sales Director for Southern Vision Systems. We're a technology company based out of Huntsville, Alabama. Our traditional products that we've made for several years are high-speed digital video cameras. And these are cameras that film at thousands of frames a second for slow motion analysis. And we looked at where we could use our technology for another market. And digital signage was a natural fit, because we're looking at, again, transmitting a lot of video data over an Ethernet cable to a storage device, or in this case, receivers. So we've come up with our voLANte product. voLANte stands for Video over LAN Technology. This is 100% digital and 100% IT and a complete Ethernet-based system. So we're compatible with any other Ethernet device, such as a security camera, an IP camera, a network storage that you might want to put on the same network to attach to store files. And we're also completely PC-based. We use our transmitter cards inside the PC or as a standalone device, and they take then the digital video input either from, in this case, a laptop which is running a media player application. It plugs into our transmitter and you have Ethernet out. And we have a PC here where we've got our transmitter cards in the PC, and they are taking the digital video data from the PC, such as a DVD player or PowerPoint or whatever you've got running. All of this data is then taken across one single cable to our remote displays. Our remote displays can be controlled from our software application. So here we're showing the transmitters are shown here, so that's my laptop, for example. PC screen 2, PC screen 3. I can move the data around and reassign it. So if I want to move the lower right screen that's displayed over there, if I want to send that laptop display to that lower right screen, I just drag and drop and it will immediately switch to the new stream. We also have what we call local play content. Local play allows you to upload slideshows to the individual receivers, and they will display at a network command. So now I'm switching from the high definition streaming video to what we call local play content, slideshows that are stored on the individual receiver boxes. Now, because this is Ethernet, you can have as many receivers as you want. You daisy chain them one to the other, to the other, to the other. And there is no practical limitation to how many receivers can be on the network at any one time. Because this is a network and is controlled in an IT manner, the way that we're familiar now with, corporate networks and IT, we have complete control. One of the values of digital signage in a retail environment or a school or a hospital or a casino, for example, you have all of these display screens that ought to be available to you for, say, emergency messaging. This has not been possible with older analog distribution systems, but because we are a network and an IT network, we can accept input from fire alarms, weather emergency, and literally in this case, we're showing a demonstration of pressing a big red button. We can press the big red button, and then all our displays will switch to emergency messaging. And the emergency messaging can be audio and video. So we've switched the entire network. So if you imagine how powerful that could be in a subway where you need to get everybody to move to the exits quickly, and you have all of these LCD screens available to you for that messaging. We can just return to normal video just at a press of a button. We have just started to ship this product. We launched it back in February as a technology launch, and now we're in full production. It's available through distribution in the US, and the transmitter cards are retail priced at $12.50, and the individual receiver boxes are priced at $9.50.